A calm bathroom designed for slow living. Clean lines, soft wood, and minimal styling create a peaceful start and end to your day. Perfect for small spaces, just keep surfaces clear and textures natural. Avoid overdecorating, less here feels more luxurious. This bathroom blends indoor and outdoor living. Large glass openings, greenery, and natural light create a calming escape. Keep materials organic and avoid artificial decor. Real plants and natural light make the biggest impact here. This remodel blends comfort with nature. Stone, wood, and warm light create a cozy retreat. Keep materials raw but balanced. Avoid over-polishing. Natural imperfection adds character and warmth. This bathroom proves small spaces can feel high-end. Smart layouts, hidden storage, and clean lines maximize every inch. Keep everything functional and avoid bulky decor. Precision design makes the space feel bigger. This space brings hotel luxury into daily life. Clean symmetry, soft lighting, and rich materials create an elevated feel. Focus on lighting layers and keep surfaces uncluttered. Avoid mixing too many finishes. Consistency feels expensive. This remodel creates a vacation feeling guests remember. Light tones, natural textures, and open space make it feel fresh instantly. Keep decor minimal and moisture safe. Avoid over-themed styling, subtle details feel more premium. This bold bathroom uses dark tones to create depth and drama. Matte black, deep stone, and soft lighting make it feel luxurious. Balance is key. Add warm light to avoid a heavy feel. Avoid mixing too many textures here. Designed for real life, this bathroom balances function and style. Open storage, durable finishes, and soft tones keep things calm even on busy mornings. Use baskets for easy access and avoid glossy materials. They show everything.